Do you want to hide channels from WhatsApp? You can hide suggested channel on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide a channel on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're on WhatsApp, go to the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see your status updates, the list of channels you follow, and the suggested channels. Now, scroll through the suggested channels list and find the channel you want to hide. Tap and hold on the channel name until the hide option appears at the top of the screen. Now, select Hide from the top of the screen. The selected channel will now be hidden from your main updates screen. To hide a channel that you already follow, simply long press on the channel name and select Unfollow at the top of the screen. Hiding a channel helps you keep your updates tab clean and organized.